Okay guys, the process is finally over. We have closed, we got the keys, and now we're homeowners. Hope you enjoyed this journey with us through the highs and the lows. Buying property is no joke. I hope you learned something from us.
Welcome to Mi Casa, guys. Let's go.
Welcome in. So this is the first floor of our apartment. We have our dining table. This also functions as our workspace. We have our kitchen. And the living room. We got a Christmas tree. It was actually quite a mission to find a Christmas tree here in Turkey. And this was Didi's first time ever setting up and decorating a Christmas tree. And then this is the balcony. This is the main balcony. This is where we spend most of our time. It is right next to the road, so it does get a little noisy, but you know, can't have it all. We have a nice little garden area too, part of our apartment. Definitely a lot of green outdoor space. And then we have a bathroom in here. This is the upstairs bathroom. This is also the first time in my life I've ever lived in a house with stairs. I was so excited until I walked the stairs about 50 times a day up and down just to get random stuff. So still getting used to the stairs in the house. Also these walls, we painted this. This was like a mustardy, weird yellow color. So we painted it kind of like sky blue, gray. And then you come downstairs and this is the bathroom. And then this is a part that like really sold me on the house. While I don't love the design, we have the amazing storage everywhere. And if you notice, it has a lock on it. So we plan to rent this place out during the summer and go and visit our families. So this is gonna be really handy for when we are renting and we can lock up our personal things. And then this is the master bedroom. Again, really big storage that also has that nice lock feature. And then we have a small little balcony off the master bedroom. I don't really use this balcony that much, but it's nice to have. It's kind of messy. And then we're thinking about building some kind of like stairs or something to be able to walk out and get up here. And then this is the guest bedroom. So again, this was also, you know, that same yellow color. We painted it, we were supposed to paint it kind of a turquoise, but we mixed up the colors a bit and got kind of a mint green, but it still looks nice. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Welcome to our apartment. We're getting on today to update you guys about our life, and we've been getting a lot of questions about what's going on here in Turkey. One of the questions we've been getting asked the most is, what is a corona situation in Turkey right now? So Turkey kept its borders open throughout pretty much all of 2020 when most countries shut down. The COVID situation is rising every day here. So recently, the country has went into a mandatory weekend lockdown. So from 9 p.m. Friday until 5 a.m. Monday, no one is allowed to leave their house. This is our first weekend in lockdown. We bought a 2-bedroom, 2-floor apartment.
Initially, when we came to Turkey, that was definitely not in our plans, but after being here for a couple of months, we really fell in love with this country.
And we're about a 15-minute walk from the most amazing beach. So we're really lucky, we're really blessed. We have an amazing apartment and the timing was just perfect. We have plenty to do around here and to keep us busy. We're all settled in now. It's really nice, it's really cozy. I hope we've inspired you to think about coming to Turkey. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
All right, YouTube family, until next time, good night.
Bye.